1, 2, 3. Oh my god. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, I have a special unboxing of a custom Xbox One controller. This one is great. The one that comes with the Xbox is great. It has the nice grips, which are new and improved. Enough jibber jabber. Let's get straight into the damn box. The multi-tool never fails. Why is there tape all over this damn thing? I don't know. I can't believe I just used that knife. It's like so freaking sharp. Come on, you fucker. Ooh! It's so pretty. Take the, this out of here. Get this out of the way. Nice. Xbox wireless controller. One thing I like about these controllers too is that it actually has Bluetooth built into the controller. So basically saying any Windows 10 device, even like a Windows phone, you can pair it to it and use it as a separate controller, which is actually really, really cool. And that's completely awesome. So I'm gonna look at this before you guys. Ah, God, I'm excited. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I don't even want to touch it. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. Good lord. This is incredible. Wow. Okay. The one thing I really wish they did with this box is no AA batteries. But I have the planned charge kit. I'll just swap the battery out of this and put it into this one. But good god. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Again, my opinion, these are all my custom colors. But still, oh my gosh. To be honest, I forget the name of the individual parts. I'll copy it and I'll put it on the screen so you can read it. Feels the exact same, obviously. Duh. But oh my god. This is special. I love gaming. I'm not the biggest hardcore gamer, but when I do gaming, I am so into it. It's like... But seriously, this thing is beautiful. Is there anything else in the box? Just the warranty guide. You know, I'm actually curious. I don't really know the... Oh yeah, I'm not gonna read all this right now. I'm not quite sure what the warranty is on custom controllers. But I'm assuming it's relevant to like a year from manufactured parts. But to be completely honest, I'm really not completely positive. This is the getting start guide, which I don't really need to do because I know my way around an Xbox controller. But this controller, oh my god. I'm sorry. Holy shit. It's awesome. I'll put this battery into here. Made in China. Duh. Funny thing, it went from China to Japan and then to Japan to here. I don't really understand, but okay, it works. Swap this out right here. This might not be as exciting for you guys because you're obviously not seeing the controller in person, but believe it, I'll try to get as accurate as camera shots as I can with this, because this thing is absolutely beautiful in person. Which one's the right color? I just completely messed up. Ugh. No, the one that's probably more scuffed, the one I've used so many times. Yep, this is the old one. Ready to go. This controller. Good god, it's awesome. This is truly awesome. Which way the batteries going again? Oh, here we go. Yeah, so I've been rambling on too long, and well, I'm just making this obviously to show you guys how this darn thing looks. And you could actually customize your own. It did say it's going to take about 2 weeks just to manufacture the parts and to send it out. I literally ordered this. Actually, to be honest, I do forget. Where's the right email? Okay, I ordered this on April 9th. It is the 13th. I thought it would have taken a lot longer, but I'm like, that's not even close to a week, I even think. That's awesome. I'm going to stop rambling and get working on this bad boy right now. So anyways, you guys, I just wanted to show this to you. I thought it was pretty damn cool. This is an awesome controller, my custom controller. If you don't like the design, don't really care. I think this looks pretty damn badass. Anyways, you guys, I appreciate you coming by and checking out this video and all the other videos. And until next time, guys, make sure to stay tuned for more.